Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a magic ring. So what you'll need is yarn. I'm using a 3.5mm hook, some scissors, a needle, and a stitch marker of your choice. You're going to take your yarn and place the tail end facing toward you. Wrap it over your fingers, and I hold mine with my pinky. And take your hook, slide it under, then over. Pull up, and then yarn over, pull up a loop. And then make sure you untwist your tail. And now you have a magic circle. I like to pull mine a little snug. After making your magic circle, you can take your yarn and start working as you normally would. I'm going to start doing single crochets. Now that I have all my single crochets, I'm going to take the tail and I'm going to pull it so it closes the ring. You want to pull it tight but not too tight. You don't want the yarn to snap. And then what I like to do is work a single crochet around the tail end. Like so. And then pull it again to make sure it is snug. And I will continue to work around the tail end for the next row to help secure that circle. And that completes our magic ring.